Hello, good day viewers. You are welcome once again to my channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to provide a solution to this equation on the board. Please, if today is your first time of watching, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow my Facebook page at Shabez Online Tutorial. So the question says 8p minus 2q is equal to 8p minus 2q over 10 minus p is equal to 2. And we're asked to find the value of p at q is equal to 5. So solution. The question is 8p minus 2q over 10 minus p, which is equal to 2. And we're asked to find the value of this p at q is equal to 5. So what you do, since the left hand side is in fraction, I can also convert the right hand side to be in fraction, because 2 divided by 1 is also 2. So if you have equation in this form, what you do is to cross multiply. Cross multiply by using this to multiply this, then use this to multiply this. 1 multiplied by this, I'll have 8p minus 2q, which is equal to 2 multiplied by this, I'll have 2 multiplied by 10 minus p. So the next is to, well, let us open this bracket in this right hand side. I have 8p minus 2q, which is equal to 2 multiplied by 10, it's 20. Then 2 multiplied by negative p, I'll have negative 2p. So from here, we are going to move all the one with variable to the left hand side. Then the we are going to move all the constant to the right hand side. So here we have 8p minus 2q. Then we have 2p here because these two attached with variable, and this, when this negative cross this equality sign to change to positive, I have positive 2p, which is equal to 20, because 20 is only constant we have in this equation. So from here, and remember the question says we should find the value of p at q is equal to 5. So we have 8p here and 2p here, they are like them, so I can add them together. 8p plus 2p, I'll have 10p minus 2q, which is equal to 20. So, and the question says at q is equal to 5. So this is where we stop at 10p minus 2q, which is equal to 20. So at q is equal to 5, what that means, anywhere we see q, we are going to replace it as 5. So I have 10p minus 2. In place of this q, I'll write 5, which is equal to 20. So to look for the value of p now, we have 10p minus 2 multiplied by 5, it will give me 10, which is equal to 20. To get the value of p, we are going to move this constant to the right hand side. I have 10p, which is equal to 20. Then this negative 10 is going to cross, it will change to positive 10. So I'll have 10p now will be equal to 20 plus 10 is equal to positive 30. To get the value of p, we are going to divide both sides by the coefficient of p, which is 10. So divide both sides by 10. This 10 can cancel this 10. So my p now will be equal to 30 divided by 10 is equal to 3. Because this 0 will go with this 0. 3 divided by 1 is equal to 3. So therefore, in this equation, the value of our p here is equal to 3. Please do share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.